Direct editing is a very useful tool to help me edit or make changes to my existing designs. And this works very easily in Shapr3D. So say for example here I have this simple bracket design, and I can just tap to select my fillet here, for example, and I can see, of course, this fillet is a 20mm radius. If I'd ever like to change this, I can simply tap on the dimension and make any change I'd like to the dimension. Let's say now I want this to be a 25mm radius. And I can see now this is a larger fillet. I can also make these changes by simply again tapping to select and pushing or pulling on the arrows to make this fillet larger or smaller as needed. Similarly, I can do the exact same thing with any aspects of my model. Say for example I'd like to change the size of my hole here. I can change the dimension, maybe give a radius of 30, let's say, and now I have a larger hole. Or using the arrows can push or pull to make my hole larger or smaller. And let's say maybe I'd like to get rid of this hole completely. I can just tap to select the hole and tap delete. Similarly, let's say maybe I have a fillet I no longer need. I can tap to select a particular fillet, hit delete, and I no longer have that fillet. I can also make edits to entire faces. So if I tap to select this top face here, and I can pull on my arrows to make the thickness of this base larger or smaller as needed. And notice what's really handy here is all of my fillets come along with it. So, as we can see, we can very quickly and efficiently make changes or edits to our existing models using direct editing within Shapr3D.